Alright, welcome back everybody. We are at Cow Shoals, Little Red River, Arkansas. Walking down. See if we can't get into some trout today. I got my Reddington Euro nymphing rod. Let's see what's going on. It is a beautiful day. It's the first time I've ever been here. We fished under the dam yesterday at the JFK. That was awesome. I'll have a little video of that coming up shortly. We'll step up here. Oh wow. This is... Sorry, I just gotta take this in for a minute. This is beautiful. Oh man. I gotta take a picture of this. All right. Let's see what we can get into. Yes! Oh! Oh! I'm on a barbless hook. Oh!
That's the size I saw.
Oh.
That was a really good size one. What are you running though? Pheasant tail?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
Dude, that was a big trout.
It might be the same one I saw, dude. It was a big trout I saw.
All right, so that sucked. It was probably the way I was fighting them. I'm not sure, but that felt like a really, really good fish. But anyways, appreciate all the new subscribers, and if you haven't already and you like what we got going on, please like and subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.